Hi, hello students, welcome to Let's Understand Physics. In this video, we see sea breeze and land breeze from heat chapter for class 7 CBSE students. This is very important question for the exam and many students will get confused and write in the opposite. For sea breeze they write land breeze and for land breeze they write sea breeze. Actually, this concept you can observe if you stay in the coastal regions. For the vacation, if you go to any coastal region, observe this phenomena so that you will easily understand. Now, without confusion, I will explain you in this video so that you will never write mistake and you will remember this forever. Now, see here, sea breeze. Sea breeze, breeze means cool air. So, in sea breeze, you will have cool air from sea. Now, sea is a three-letter word. Now, day is also a three-letter word. Remember this. During daytime, the sun, due to the heat energy of sun, the land and also the sea should get heated up. First, the air on the land will get heated up and rises upwards. To occupy that space, the cool air from the sea moves towards the land. Then, the hot air from the land moves towards the sea to complete the cycle. Okay, so here in sea breeze, what is happening? The cool air from the sea moving towards the land during daytime. Okay, that is the reason people, those who are living at the sea, coastal places, they will open the windows and doors which are facing the sea so that the daytime they will get cool air from the sea into their houses. Okay, now land breeze is exactly opposite. Now same, the cool air from the land means land breeze. In land you have N, isn't it? So night time, N and N you have to remember. During night time, the land cools down faster than the water. Okay, that means sea. The cool air from the land moves towards the sea and the hot air from the sea moves towards the land during night time. Okay, that is the reason the hot air should not enter the houses. That's why in the coastal regions, people will close the windows and doors which are facing the sea during night time. Okay, so you can observe this in the coastal regions. This is sea breeze and land breeze, very important for exam and also very important to understand this phenomena. When you stay in the coastal regions, you can apply this phenomena. Okay, so share to the students, those who are studying class 7 CBSE, and like the video. Please subscribe if you like the video, and if you have any doubts in the physics chapters, just comment in the comment section so that I will make video on those concepts. Thank you.